Meaning of folksy.
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 Folksy. Folksy describes something that is simple, unpretentious and familiar, often associated with rural or small-town culture. It suggests a charming, down-to-earth quality that evokes a sense of warmth, friendliness, and community. This can be expressed in various ways, such as in art, music, language, or behavior. It is often used to describe someone who is approachable, easygoing, and genuine, without being overly formal or sophisticated. Overall, folksy conveys a sense of simplicity, authenticity, and belonging that resonates with many people.